D-3. Welcome to the Cymex RainForest Challenge, the world's most internationally represented 4x4 event in the world, with teams and participants coming from 29 countries. But first, before D-Day, it's scrutineering time for the competitors' vehicles at Easton Hotel. This is to ensure that these super-modified machines are ready to take on one of the toughest 4x4 events in the world. By D-2, registration was completed with entries coming from Europe, Asia, Oceania and South America. By D-1, the heat is on. But for the organizer, pre-event monsoon rains have caused them the biggest crisis. The route has to be changed at the 11th hour. The challenge has already begun even before the official start of the event. On D-Day, it's time to roll off and face the moment of truth. But first, the opening ceremony welcome from the state government of Perak. And time for greetings and well wishes for a great adventure to come.
La gara in Malaysia è la migliore, la più forte, più dura. Ce la metteremo tutta. Malaysia, vole! Okay.
I'll start out with Thomas about the portal axle issue.
Cóż wam mogę powiedzieć po polsku? No jest tutaj strasznie gorąco, ciepło. W zasadzie nie możemy się doczekać, żeby wjechać do dżungli. No i przede wszystkim dobrze się bawić.
Oh no, I know where to get the pole.
At last, rolling off for the 8th edition of the Cymex RainForest Challenge at Dataran Ipoh, Malaysia. A time to live your passion in 4x4 adventure in the company of like-minded people from around the world. This adventure challenge is also the winner of Malaysia's top 10 most spectacular sports tourism events. Everyone and everything brought into the event must be proven in the next 10 days. Machines, Cymex Extreme Trackers, equipment, worn winches and lots more will have to go through the baptism of fire, and only the best will do. But most of all, it's having that mental attitude for endurance that counts. After months of preparation and waiting is over, it's action time. Let the adventure begin.
At last, today is the day. The day has started. After the flag off, we are here at Station 18. A lot of activities, cars, people. This is Station 18, the prologue stage. This is where we call the first blood, where most of the teams will be able to warm up and get their machinery going, and let's see whether how do they get on with the event. We're going to test them and see how they roll the event into the following days. This is only a warm-up stage. There are 5 stages here, and they are supposed to be light to medium.
Forward, back through, into the box, and that's when the co-driver gets in, seatbelt on, and time finished. Now, when you... Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
These two brothers from Sabah have come with experience, great determination and cool heads. Rash decisions will lead to costly errors. They know that very well. Their strategy is ready, steady and go. This is a potential team for the overall title.
Thank you for being here today. It's been great to see the crowd, the well-organized event we have here, RainForest Challenge. We're very proud to be able to work together with Louis Wee from the RainForest team, so it's been really experienced today. It's been great as usual when they are doing it.
So for me, it's the first time to come here. I've never seen anything like this before. It looks really fantastic, very well organized, and a great tribute to the team here in Ipoh. So I hope everybody has a good time. Thank you.
Yeah, can't wait to see the rest of it.
The rest of the event in the next 9 days will be man and machines. But there is also a ladies team in a macho sport.
First time lah masuk challenge to 2004. Sebelum ni kita ada kedah adventure team lah. Kedah punya kedah team.
Okay, you can count down now. Ladies team from Malaysia.
Terima kasih.
Okay, Roger. Standing by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
And off they go. These ladies from Kedah Adventure Team certainly know what's in store for them. Driving alone is not enough. They must also know how to get themselves out when they get stuck. And stuck they did. Now what's next? Before the event, the ladies said they would give the man a run for their money. Here at this prologue stage, they are doing the same things as their male counterpart. That is, getting their vehicles out of trouble in full view of the general public. They did themselves proud here. Slowly but steadily, they get the recovery going. And they did finish the stage like everyone else. There's no stopping the ladies now from here to end of the event.